Everyone, welcome to our live show. I'm Lucky Huang, Sales Manager of Zhongshan Changsheng Mental Products Limited Corporation. Today, I would like to introduce you our new factory and our wholesale home storage ware shelves. And our factory start to move to our new big factory since last month. Our new factory area is 30,000 square meter, and this new factory is 3 times bigger than our old one. More than 50% of our production equipment is new, advanced, and automatic. And after new factory move is finished, our production capability is more than 2,050 pieces, 40 haiku amounts. Our management team and our worker staff team would be increased to support our capability plan. We also upgrade our staff dormitory and our canteen in our new factory. And another big change is that we have produced the chrome-plated finish and powder coating finish by ourselves in our new factory, especially powder coating finish. Especially our powder coating finish process, which is in the same layer of our packing plant to protect product quality and improve our production efficiency. Moreover, our warehouse is enlarged 3 times bigger than before. We have enough space to enlarge our production capability. Welcome worldwide clients to inquire us and make order to us. Today, this is our new factory, new chrome plating process, and this is our warehouse. And these are our new machine. Automatic welding, collar welding machine. And this is automatic tube production, tube grooves production machine. And this is semi-automatic welding machine. This is our old factory showroom. And this is our new factory. Our new factory building, and 7 layers. Each layer, each layer 6,000 square meter, each layer. And this is our sales team office, and this is our production workshop, and this is our packing workshop. Okay.